Hello everyone, I'm Sally and welcome again to Fondant Diary. So this time I've made a sitting woman cake topper, and this tutorial will be divided into two videos. In this video part 1 will be showing you how to make the table and the chair, and in the next video part 2 will be showing you how to make the sitting woman. So let's get started. For this tutorial, I use a cake dummy or polystyrene with a height of 6 cm. Then prepare 4 pieces of wire with a length of 18 cm each. And also a circle cutter. My cutter is 7.6 cm in diameter. If yours is 8 cm, you can use it too. Then wrap the remaining wire with floral tape. Then pull the 4 wires in 4 directions. Then roll out brown fondant for the round table. And next, I'll cover the table leg with black fondant. And next, the side of the table with a length of 30 centimeters. Then I will create a line pattern with this tool. And I set it aside and dry this table first. And next, to make a chair, prepare 6 pieces of wire with each length as written on the left side of the screen. Then put together the 34 centimeters, 32 centimeters, 23.5 centimeters, and 25 centimeters wires, one wire each. Then wrap them with floral tape from the bottom of the 4 wires 10.5 centimeters long. Then bend the 23.5 centimeters long wire forward for 2.5 centimeters. Then bend the rest of the wire downwards like the shape of a chair. The second, bend the wire that is 25 centimeters long to the front sideways or diagonally 4 centimeters long. Then bend the remaining wire downwards. The third wire is the 32 centimeters long wire. Leave a distance of 4 centimeters, then bend to the side 3 centimeters long. Then bend the rest of the wire down. The fourth wire is the 34 centimeters long wire. Leave a distance of 5 centimeters, then bend it to the side for 3 centimeters. Then bend the remaining wire downwards. And next, I will form the second 23.5 centimeters long wire. Then set it aside. And next, I will form the second 25 centimeters long wire. Then join it on the chair frame diagonally. And the last wire is the second 23.5 centimeters wire. Then wrap the chair frame with floral tape. And place the chair frame on the cake dummy. Then I'll wrap the chair legs in black fondant. And also the seat back frame. And for the seat cushion, I just make it oval. And to beautify the chair, I added with textured brown fondant. Once the fondant table is dry and hard, I will continue to finish the table legs. And I brush it with a little water to remove the cornstarch. So here it is, chair and table cake topper. So please continue watching the video part 2, which is how to make the sitting woman. Thank you all for joining membership and supporting this channel. God bless you.